Watch real footage of Jesus rescuing this dog. This is difficult to watch. Beware. So there was a huge tropical storm when this dog was tied to an overhead roof. The storm was so strong it lifted and elevated the overhead roof and took the dog with it. Look, the dog is twisting and turning and trying to breathe, trying to escape. When out of nowhere, he breaks free. Amazing. If you believe it's none other than Jesus himself that rescued this dog, subscribe to my channel right now and type "I love Jesus" in the comments.